So, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve some questions on the basis of set theory. Let's start with this first one. The question states that there are three sets A, B, and C, and those sets are made up of the letters of the word student, progress, and congruent. So, if we write here, the set A should look like S, T, U, D, E, N, and then T we won't write again because in set there are no repetitions. Set B should look like P, R, O, G. Again, R won't be repeated because no repetition. E, S. Same goes for the letter S. And set C would be C, O, N, G, R, U, E, N. Again, no repetition, and T. So this would be the three sets. Now we are supposed to find the number of elements in the portion A union B intersection C. Here we see that we are supposed to do first B intersection C and then take the union with A. So first let's try to do B intersection C. B intersection C means elements such that X belongs to B and X belongs to C. That means that we have to take the elements which are common in set B and set C. If we take a look here, P is not common in both of them. R is common in both of them. O is common in B and C, and same goes for G and E. Now let's take the intersection B intersection C's union with A. So I'll get here elements such that either they should belong to A or they should belong to B intersection C. Let's see. Here if we see S, T, U, D, E, and N. These elements belongs to A, and now if we see R belongs to B, O belongs to B intersection C, sorry, not B, just B intersection C, and G. And again, E won't be written again because no repetition. So the answer for this is A union B intersection C is equal to the elements S, T, U, D, E, N, R, O, G. And if we count the numbers, then how many elements are there in the set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can say that the number of elements in the given set is 9. So option B is our answer. Let's talk about the next question. Here the second question is, which of the following is not a singleton set? What do we mean by singleton set? A set which only has one element in it, that is unique element. So here we are supposed to investigate for all the given option, which option does not have only one element. Let's start with the first option. If we take a look at option A, it is given as x such that modulus of x is equal to 3 and x belongs to n, that is natural number. We know that if I have modulus of x is equal to 3, that implies that x is equal to plus or minus 3. But x here only belongs to natural number. So I can say the valid value of x is just 3, which means that this set contains only one element and that is 3. So this is a singleton set. Let's talk about option B. Option B is x such that x square is equal to 9 and x belongs to natural number. If we take a look here, we have the condition x square is equal to 9. If I take the square roots on both the sides, what will I get? I'll get x is equal to plus or minus 3. But here as well, x belongs to natural number. So the valid value of x is again 3 because minus 3 is not a natural number. So this set would also have a single element, that is 3. So this is also not a singleton set. Sorry, this is also a singleton set. Option C. Here we have x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 such that x belongs to integer. Now The condition given to us is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here if we try to solve, then I can solve it as x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 0, and I would get x is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Now you might feel that here there are two elements, but we know that when we are talking about sets there is no repetition. So the only element here present is minus 1. So option C is also a singleton set. Let's talk about option D. Here the given condition is x square is equal to 4 and x belongs to the integer set. If I solve the given condition, x square is equal to 4, if I take the square roots on both the sides, I will get x is equal to plus or minus 2. But x belongs to z. That means that x could be plus 2 or x could be minus 2, because both the elements belongs to the integer set. So I can say the given set here would have two elements, 2 and negative 2. So this one is not a singleton set. Now what did the question ask us? It is asking us which of the following is not a singleton set, and we have seen out of all the given options, option D is not a singleton set. So the answer here would be option D. Let's talk about the third question. Here they have asked you which of the following is a finite set. What do we mean by finite set? Finite set means the number of elements is finite. Finite means countable. If we see option A is set of integers, we know how many integers are there? Infinite. Set of prime numbers, how many prime numbers are there? Infinite. So for option A and option B, both will have infinite elements. If we talk about number of months in a year, then how many number of months are there? In a year there are 12 months. So I can make a set of it and I would get 12 elements in it. What would be those elements? January, February and up till December. So this set is a finite set. What about option D? Option D is set of parallel lines. We know if I have any point for option D, if we want to investigate if it is a finite set or a finite set, then if I have just a single point, I know that from this particular point I could have infinite lines passing through it, and for each of these lines I will get a parallel line. So I can say that set of parallel lines would also be an infinite set. So out of all the given options, the only option which is finite set is option 3, number of months in a year.